Vids AI Reels video editor, quite popular app in the top charts, a very well made app. So you can combine your videos and photos into a video with cool transitions, aesthetic effects, and filters to the beat of trendy music in just a couple of minutes. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, great high quality content like professional video makers. Edit videos right from your phone without using complicated mobile and desktop programs. Designed specifically for iPhone users who frequently shoot on their phones and active on social media. High-tech video conversion effect using AI. Get permanent access to a huge library of high-quality templates and feature. Vids offers a selection of the most relevant and trendy effects to create outstanding videos and TikTok videos. Share memories of your travels, holidays, and weekdays. Vids will bring fresh style and rhythm to your story in just a couple of minutes. So what are the main features? Create great videos in minutes using photos and videos from your phone. Automatically add trendy music from social media, high quality templates, AI templates, features and effects, original cinematic transitions, aesthetic effects and filters, themes to choose from according to your mood, trendy music from Reels and TikTok, easy creation and edit, intuitive design, no ads or watermarks, install and enjoy. Just choose your favorite photos and videos and let the app do the magic and make the videos in no time. So that's the idea. Then there is Vids Pro subscription, and let's just check it out. So here is how the app looks like. You just have a lot of templates in Discover section, all types of video editing templates which you can just use, and there is instantly some music which you can just check out. 1250 templates. You can select editing modes, so automatically cut clips to music. Select 5 clips. You can select clip duration, and this app, either is photos or clips, will automatically adjust the cutting and adjust the music to the clips. Pretty cool. They can just use it. Unfortunately, everything is locked under subscription. There is no way to use this app for free or partly free, so you just need to upgrade. There is 3-day free trial, but only on a yearly plan, monthly plan for $10 per month, but there is no free trial. So yeah, in this app you just need to pay basically. So that's just what it is. And then, for example, I just like can select like few photos, and or you can try also to create AI headshots with this app. So yeah, it's possible to create AI headshots, but then you still need to pay for this separate package. So in this app, you can create videos, shorter AI videos, AI headshots, everything in one app. Quite cool. And then you just have photos like this in here. So this is kind of the overview. You have all the effects like media, mix order, tempo, filters, music, all together you have in here. And that's basically, and then you have different trends. You can change music. You can select for best match. You can select trending music, everything, and your cutting is automatically adjusted for music using AI. So you don't need to do a lot of editing, just add the music and it will create super cool clip. Then you can just also log in with Apple, so super easy. It does, like, I don't know, it's just you still can save project without creating an account. So that's basically what it does. And then yes, like your username. This app doesn't have any promo codes, any referral codes, unfortunately. So it's only a username in here. So that's just what you have. And yeah, so there you have it. That's the idea of it. So that's the app. So give it a try. Vids app. Start a free trial and give your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? I think it's a really cool app actually.